Hey everybody, this is Ed Nielsen from Microforce. I'm going to explain a few features of the 2022 Release Wave 2 plan. What happens is Microsoft twice a year in October and April, they put out releases to their cloud products, right? And they all basically come out at the same release time frame across their entire product. So if you look down the left here, you see this is the cover page for this document that is pretty large. It's 510 pages. And it covers all these different areas: marketing, sales, service, F&O, human resources, commerce, fraud protection, connect some of these things that not a lot of people deal with. I want to talk about Business Central, and that is under the SMB, small medium business area. So let's go to page 260 on this document. So we don't really have to focus on the 510 pages. We really only need to focus on 20 or 30 pages in the SMB section. So if you get down to here, it really says, well, the SMB is for Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. If I scroll down a little bit, you'll see that there's a place where you could say, check out the release plan. So once you kind of get this document, you can kind of get an overview of what is being released across all these products. And then if you want to get to specifics about BC, you can click into the hyperlinks and go look at some very specifics around these features. The link to the PDF will be available in the description of this video. So if you want to download it yourself and review the PDF document, you can just click on the link in the video. Okay, so then you come into the specifics about Business Central, and they will list a little write-up of each feature and it's what's good about these, how the feature was developed and what its purpose is and why it benefits the Business Central system.